Cryptocurrencies have met all expectations in terms of popularity. Bitcoin and Ethereum, it seems, have taken the world by storm. On the other hand, Solana, a new cryptocurrency token, has recently gotten a lot of attention from cryptocurrency fans. Because of the rising price of SOL tokens, Solana has become one of the most discussed cryptocurrencies in 2021. Furthermore, the rise of Solana had a major impact on Ethereum's downfall by providing solutions to many of the challenges that Ethereum users encountered. So, is Solana truly the next Ethereum? What's the reason behind Solana becoming the biggest Ethereum killer? Is Solana, otherwise known as Sol, decentralizing more? Let's find the answers to these questions today. But first, we're happy to welcome you back to the channel. This is Modern Blockchain, monster of information when it comes to cryptocurrency, finances, and how we use them in our generation. Today, we're going to be giving you another amazing video. So, please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Let us start with the fundamentals. Why is Solana otherwise known as SOL? One of the most widely used cryptocurrencies is Solana. Solana is the name of the cryptocurrency platform, while SOL is the name of each individual unit. Solana is a decentralized computer network that uses a blockchain ledger created by Anatoly Yakovenko. Like a long-running receipt, this blockchain database controls and tracks currency and effectively records every transaction that has ever occurred with it. In addition, the computer network ensures that the data is accurate. The network is considered more stable due to the decentralized technology, thus allowing users to conduct transactions without the need for an intermediary. In addition, Solana touts itself as the world's fastest blockchain, claiming to verify 65,000 transactions per second for less than a penny each. While many people consider crypto coins to be nothing more than a type of currency, it's more beneficial to see them as a token that can power or enable other apps on the platform. Solana, for example, can enable smart contracts, decentralized finance apps, NFTs, and much more. Before answering the question, is Solana decentralizing more? We need to understand its features. Features of Solana. There is no doubt that Solana is the fastest blockchain in the world. It is presently a solid competitor to all of the cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Let's discuss some of the essential features of Solana. Number 1. Byzantine Fault Tolerance, BFT. The Byzantine Fault Tolerance system vigorously protects the Solana environment. This ensures that a single outgrowth or node error will not impact the overall system's operation. The BFT algorithm also encourages nodes to keep working after continuous failures. Number 2. Cloudbreak. Solana translates a horizontal scaling strategy that boosts scalability in the long run. Cloudbreak is also organizing databases and securing hardware and software connections. Number 3. Turbine. To speed up transactions, Sol breaks blocks into smaller batches. The batch size is usually 64 kilobytes. In order to transfer big-sized data up to 128 megabytes, it will distribute around 2,000 individual 64 kilobyte batches to different validators to complete the transaction in a reasonable amount of time. Number 4. Gulfstream. Gulfstream features works based on unconfirmed transactions. Transactions are pushed, cached, and sent. Validators can check transactions because they are aware of the trusted order. Thus, it allows them to maintain and execute transactions ahead of time. As a result, it has lower consensus times and reduces the memory pressure. Number 5. Sealevel. The Solana network uses Sealevel to take advantage of GPUs and SSDs. Also, Solana has a parallel transaction architecture, unlike typical single-threaded blockchains. As a result, Solana recognizes non-overlapping transactions and performs them in parallel using Sealevel. Number 6. Pipeline. Pipelining is an optimization technique used by the Solana network for transaction validation. Pipelining is used to process data streams on separate hardware. It helps in the efficiency of the transaction validation process. On the Solana network, this allows for faster validation and better performance. On the other hand, Ethereum is the world's second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Ethereum technology allows for the growth of blockchain technology to rebuild the storage of customer data, including financial records. The Ethereum blockchain is larger than Bitcoin's. The Ethereum blockchain allows the integration of code in transactions. It also enables crypto traders to carry out all of their transactions safely and soundly. You have reached the halfway point of this video. Before continuing, have you heard about Solana, the Ethereum killer, before you clicked on this video? Or are you completely new to it? Whatever your answer is, rest assured that the second half of this video will have more to offer you. But first, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Let's move forward. So why is Solana called the Ethereum killer? What's the reason? The features that Solana is giving could be the primary and most compelling justification for this. Solana is a proof-of-stake and proof-of-work blockchain that is also more environmentally friendly than Ethereum. Solana is an open-source project created to host decentralized applications that has grown in popularity due to its excellent customer service to crypto traders. So far, the Ethereum blockchain has been unable to provide quicker speeds with low transaction fees. As a result, cryptocurrency traders are moving their interests to Sol. Investing in DeFi, non-fungible tokens, and other similar options are rapidly becoming more popular. Therefore, it's safe to say that Solana is more enduring in the cryptocurrency market. Solana DeFi projects have now earned over $3 billion in 2021 and continue to gradually increase. Comparatively, there are more Solana-based projects than Ethereum. This may clarify why Sol has the potential to become Ethereum's biggest threat. It is over 3,800 times faster than Ethereum and has a far lower cost. The disadvantages of Ether were used to boost Sol's score. The transaction percentage of Ethereum, for example, is only 30 transactions per second, which is a drawback to traders. On the other hand, Solana is capable of processing 50 to 60,000 transactions per second. No doubt you now have a clear understanding of why Solana is better than Ethereum. Solana has beaten Ethereum in terms of transaction speed, which is a huge achievement for a newly launched currency. The vast bandwidth and outstanding transaction speed push it to the top. Solana is undoubtedly receiving a positive response by all cryptocurrency traders. These recent developments show that the use of blockchain techniques will continue to become more common with more and more people forming opinions about what's going on in the crypto world. Therefore, the crypto industry has a great deal of growth potential in the coming years. But the question now is whether or not Solana is decentralizing into dangerous waters. So here's how we think the Ethereum killer will perform in the future. Solana is creating a new path to success in a world dominated by Bitcoin and Ethereum. The growing blockchain and cryptocurrency ecosystem is dubbed the Ethereum killer for its ability to cover new coins quickly. Bartosz Lipinski, the head of product engineering, told Euronews that Solana is an open network, so anyone can start building on it. We are giving people opportunities to access venture funds, gain knowledge from the engineering team of Solana, and meet with people who can vet your ideas and help you build. So, if you are thinking about starting a company, I think building it in Web 3.0, especially on Solana, is probably the easiest route. But again, multiple teams went from a few projects to 5,000 within a year, funded their companies, and started hiring. And if you are thinking in terms of startups, that's incredible. What differentiates it from other blockchains, such as Ethereum? Like many other networks, Solana is a Layer 1 network that uses proof of stake, according to Lipinski. The network's true distinguishing feature, though, is its speed. Transactions are really cheap. As a result, most individuals will only commit a fraction of a cent in a 400 millisecond block time, which is the fastest among all blockchains. While it is regarded as a viable alternative to Ethereum due to cheaper transaction fees and faster processing times, it frequently comes at the cost of increased centralization. Indeed, one of the most common concerns regarding Solana is its lack of decentralization compared to its rivals Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bartosz Lipinski also stated, Solana Foundation actively is working on increasing the decentralization of the network. We have almost 2,000 nodes that are validating blocks every 400 milliseconds. And we believe that we will be reaching the level of decentralization that Ethereum and Bitcoin have this year. So guys, if Solana expands its decentralized feature, it may be able to compete with Bitcoin. However, Ethereum is hoping to fix some of its shortcomings. So, if Ethereum can become more scalable in 2022, Solana may not be as valuable. But what's going to happen? We are not sure. Only time can tell. And there you go! You have now learned about Solana and decentralization. So, do you think Solana will rise above other cryptos by the end of 2022? Share your comments below. That sums up our video for today. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified about our latest content. If you want to make money, then modern blockchain is for you. Thanks for your time. Cheers!